I'm Michael.
And I'm Halef.
And this is our girl Kana. She doesn't like this. We just completed our Baja California adventure in Mexico. An epic journey through a beautiful part of this country. Meeting new friends. Eating delicious food.
So cool.
Seeing incredible wildlife.
Oh my God.
And a few experiences that we would like to forget. All of these are sweet memories of our van life journey in Mexico. And now we're back in the United States for new adventures here. We're so glad to be back stateside, but we have a few errands that we need to run. We started off with buying a few things that have to be shipped to us, plus a few other things.
Welcome to Arizona. Continue on I-8 business loop for 4 miles.
First, we have to cross into Yuma, Arizona, where the bulk of our orders are to be sent.
Glad to be back in Arizona.
Well, just for the gas prices, it looks like they're about $2 cheaper per gallon here than they are in California.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
And let's the fun begin. It's gonna be a lot of packages here coming up.
This is our first hiccup. So I called them a few days ago. I said, can I get a package delivered there? She said, yes, no problem. It's $5 or $6 or $7 to pick it up, whatever it is. And I went in today and she said, yeah, your package was attempted to deliver here, but we don't take postal service packages. So it probably got returned to sender.
Seriously?
Yeah, she said either that or it's back at the post office that we just went to.
Seriously?
Does your number begin with a letter or a number?
A number.
Would you like to use your smartphone during this call?
Maybe not this time. Maybe it's not as smooth as I expected. But we are back at the post office now because we need to track this particular package. One of those days, apparently.
Uh-oh.
She took my name, my information, what the package was, who it was from, and she's going to look at the end of the day and see if it's there. And if it is, she'll call me.
Okay.
Best I can do.
I suppose.
Get off my chair.
I know, Kana. Exciting day, isn't it? Huh? Oh, it's a good girl.
We drive all around Yuma to try to track our packages. It just feels like scavenger hunt.
Our head hair picker-uppers. Woo! Package number 2, our new fly screen. Package number, whatever this is a proper solar panel rack.
As you can imagine, the van can be very cluttered very quickly. Paper towel over here, you got some whatever, Amazon Prime over here, bug screen, more stuff and stuff.
Yep. New package! Kana's new leash. That was a pain getting that, but thank you to the US Postal Service for figuring all this out for me. It was my fault and they fixed it. Good. And you got some stamps.
Woohoo!
This is stamps for our Patreon postcards.
Yes. What you doing?
Oh, just trying not to make a mess of this. It's a proper gadget to hold the solar panels instead of the makeshift thing we have there.
We really have the love-hate relationship with our solar panels. Love because obviously it charge our Betterborn batteries, so we have all the powers we need, but it is pain in the butt every single time we have to set up our solar panels.
It's a good thing Michael's a handyman.
And now we have a great solar panel rack, which will make it much easier for us to charge our Battleborn batteries, and we're really happy about that. So let's see what Atlas Pet Company sent us. Well, it's guaranteed for life, for one thing, even if your pup destroys it. So that means they made it really well. Lifetime harness. So this is the harness. I don't know how this goes on. And this is the leash. Oh yeah, this is a big one. Look at that.
Oh, that's a good quality one.
That you can always tell it's high quality. I've never seen a leash design like this before. And this is a little bag that goes on the leash right here, which is very hard to get on, but they said it's very hard to get on, which means it also is very hard for it to come off. There we go. So there's our little bag that we can keep poop bags in. We can even pull them out like tissues.
It's really well made.
Yeah, it is. She'll never get away from us now. Wraps around her belly and hooks right here. And then you can tighten it and untighten it. And we can leave it on her for now, just to let her get used to it. Now this just hooks on like this.
Try on your new leash, Kana.
And of course, it's always a beautiful day in Arizona, so we're gonna take Kana for a walk using her new Atlas Pet Company leash and harness.
Come on, let's go. Good girl.
She loves this little thing. I have no idea what it is. It's either a giraffe or a cow. Come here, come here, come here. She's rocking her new harness she's got from Atlas Pet Company. She loves it. At least it's not bothering her. Well, don't break any bones. That's the only rule that applies. There's a kid on a skateboard out there doing kick flips. Oh God. I don't know what that is. Our new drone. Make sure that my name is on it. Yes, that's my name. And make sure it is a drone because I don't want to leave here without it being a drone. And it looks pretty drone to me. If you didn't see the video where our drone went bye-bye, then watch this. This is what happened. This is why we need a new drone. Crap. Halef, I think we just lost our drone.
Seriously?
Yeah. It's a DJI Mavic Air. Much faster than the other one. So that just probably means I can fly into a lake faster. Oh God. I'm just getting everything ready, and it's a refurbished unit, but it came in a packaging that was just like it was new. And Amazon guarantees it for a year.
It comes with a controller, 3 batteries, and of course it's a different size and model of the battery. So we can't really use our old ones.
Oh,
that's
place
a
to charge the
charger.
batteries. Yeah, so far so good. This is the drone itself.
Is this the newest model?
Yep. I think I'll leave those on it because they have the propeller names on them. Let's hope these are propellers because no good to have a drone without propellers. 4, 5, 6 propellers there and 6 propellers here. Here we go. This is our drone.
All right, new drone until the next one.
Continue on I-8 business loop for 4 miles.
It's pretty colorful.
Lots of pink. She likes looking out the windows, don't you? Yes, you do.
Pretty long train.
No end in sight.
They even provide a porta potty just in case you need to go to the bathroom while waiting. That's the end. The next task we gotta do is pretty crucial because this is the Mercedes-Benz recall that has to be done. It's fancy, isn't it? Better be fancy.
Unfortunately, Mercedes was part of that whole emissions thing that happened a few years ago. You guys remember it, Volkswagen, but Mercedes was involved too. So we're getting some emissions work done that hopefully won't lower our mileage, but it could. But we also get like a $3,500 check when it's done, so
We'll take it.
we'll take it.
That's why we are in Tucson, Arizona. One of our favorite cities here in the state.
Well, this is where we're gonna spend at least the rest of the day here. It'll be a fun day. It'll be just a waiting day. Yeah, it's a lot of sprinters here, including Amazon sprinters, but there's several RVs, so we're not the only one. It's not as glorious as you think it is if you want to get any recall work done for your sprinter.
That looks pretty bad. Airbag came off. Oh my god, look at this, guys. That's like from Guam. I've never seen a Guam plate before. Cool.
He's taking your vehicle, Kana. Where's he going?
There goes our home. We're homeless.
Yeah, but I'd take that one. 4-wheel drive and everything.
All right, let's go.
Just got a message that the van is done. We've been spending most of our day here, or all of our day actually, at this KOA campground here on this beautiful patio, watching people play cornhole and pickleball. But now we've got to get back to the van, into our normal life, and leave this fantasy world that is KOA.
Enjoy your stay.
I thought it was a very pleasant visit, actually. I would come back here and stay overnight in the camper if I had a really big camper.
There she is.
All done, 0 cost, and we're on our way back to our campsite, and I'm just really waiting for the check engine light to come on.
Do you think that's gonna come on?
Just because it's me.
Yeah.
Home sweet home. Good morning from Cracker Barrel. This is our home while we're in Tucson. It just feels like an RV park.
We have neighbors, neighbor, and all of these RV spots. Another van, and all of these.
So yeah, it's definitely a very cozy place for van lifers. Thank you, Cracker Barrel.
And that's gonna be a gas station day.
Yeah, this is going to be our first $5 a gallon fill-up day. Here we go. Tea to calm your nerves. Let's go do it. Can I use your credit card?
Higher and higher.
I think it's going to be around 105. That's what I think. But I'll stick to 110. 88.21. All right.
Well, still.
Yep, back at Walmart again. We are here to meet up our friends Jimmy and Natalie. And for the next few days, we're gonna hang out with them. So I'm looking forward to this.
So we're heading from an urban setting to the rural public lands, which is our favorite way to boondock anyway.
Gotta admit, Arizona is just beautiful, especially in the winter time.
It's a long hill. I can actually see our gas mileage going down.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dang. Is that them? Yeah.
Oh, come on. Putting on a show for the cameras.
My goodness, look at this runner.
Have any ideas on how we might park? And we're settling in for a few days here.
Firewood for tonight?
Yeah.
There you go.
Morning, which is pretty early, but we were still asleep.
We did like a walk around public lands and then picking up a few trash. This is what we end up. Hopefully we'll be able to have clean, or at least cleaner public land.
So this is my project for today. So around 6 months ago, we broke our screen door, and we've been trying to look for an alternative to put up there that's not $1,000, because I did find a screen for $1,000. So I bought this one, Yatoshi, for $30-something, and I think I'm gonna need to cut it in order for it to fit. First, I need tissue and some Windex, because I'm gonna wash all this stuff down. See the dirt on that? I need you to hold that to the top. Right there, yep, perfect. Where this needs to be cut. Is it perfectly at the top?
So there's a Velcro, obviously.
Yep. Just make sure it's nice and straight all the way down. Ish.
But our screen is slightly too big, right?
Oh yeah, and it's the smallest size, so I had to modify it a bit.
Good that we have plug screen now, again. You happy?
Yeah, that works for me. It's not amazing looking, but it's really pretty good, I think.
Yeah, it's not as clean as the original.
Yeah, but the original was really hard to close. But this will be fine.
Yeah.
I'm happy with this.
Yes.
She can bust through that. Come on, come on.
No, don't teach her how to bust.
No, I do. I want to
screen.
teach her how to do it. Come on, let's go. Kana, come on. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. There you go.
Good girl.
I saw something behind me here that I walked by a little bit earlier, and then as I thought about it, I wanted to walk back and take a look at them a little bit closer. There's some bones behind me here, and at first I just assumed it was cow, and then I thought, wait a second, those are too small to be cows. Maybe it's a sheep or something, and then I don't know. Someone count them out and let us know in the comments what they think it is. We're in Arizona in the United States. I get a little burnt, but that's just the way I like it.
Mine turned out just like yours.
Top gets like really.
My second over s'more. Pretty good. My chocolate needs to be melted a bit more though.
You mean your marshmallow that was on fire didn't warm up your
I know, right?
chocolate bar enough?
And I got something on off. I can even talk.
We enjoyed a really nice night with our friends by the campfire. Our journey continues, so give this video a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Can you take me higher?